Second time this season. It's probably just another dry defrost. I think I should move the carrier logo. The carrier logo is in a bad spot. Let's move that over. Yeah, here. This is a good spot. There we go, that's better. Right there. This train is probably going to turn back on soon. It usually does when I'm over here. And it's been off. It's the new carrier way of exiting defrost, and it's the old way. It's the old carrier silencer system. It's the old carrier performance and silencer system way of exiting defrost. The carrier comfort's learned from the carrier performance. Yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.